In chapter 4, we talk about the refactoring, and we just introduce an error in our code that will make it not compile. And this is because in the previous chapter we have a function called owner of, and this is the owner of. But if you recall the lesson 4, we create a modifier with the same name, which is owner of, in zombiefeeding.sol. So now we have two things that with the same name. And so should we change the function name of zombie ownership to something else? And no, which we can't do that because we are using ERC 721, the 721 token standard, which means other contracts will expect our contract to have the same, will have the function with these exact names defined. That's what makes this standard useful. So if another contract knows our contract is ERC 721 compliant, it can simply talk to us without needing to know anything about our internal implementation's decisions. So which means we have to change the modifier name. So we back to the zombie feeding ownerships, and instead of using the owner of, we go to use the owner of. So we copy and paste to here, and then because we already changed the modifier name, we have to scroll down to the functions and change to only owner of, and then we have to check the answer. So we can go to next chapter.